This is Rebecca, the Steampunk Planner, and I am interrupting this painting. No, not to tease you guys, but I just received orders. So let's get into them. Pretty sure they're all from Coffee Monster. Impatience is winning. All right, number one, Jan. Thank you, Jan, for putting this order together. I love this card. Let's see what we've got. I do believe this is the second half of my tiny order. So I have migraine icons. I have partly cloudy, snow. Could have used that the other day. Fog, definitely could have used that the other day. Oh, can use that today. Rain. And crazy weather, yeah, that's definitely usable. Icon of the car. Let's see, another set of migraines. Up, grocery bags. I love the nerd glasses. I use that as my icon for work. Cell phone. Got a couple of those. Ink bottle, yes. And fire. Oh, I like to note when I actually put a fire together in my fireplace. So that's what's in that order with my freebie, which again, no, I still have not sent in my cards that are done, my bean cards. So let's just go ahead and tear into this one because, you know, my patience is thin. So these should be the subscriptions. So Amanda put this one together. And I've got a lot of stuff here. So let's tear in. I still think it's really, really great, even though it doesn't fit all of them, that their subscriptions still have the subscription envelope. And this is what I mean. Right there. I love that. I hold on to these. So I love having these and it will get use. In here, I have a great little vinyl folder. And oh, I love all of that. That's based on the little sketch card that she put in. And that's also one of her vellums. Oh, yes, it'll get used. All right, in progress. Yep, always in progress. This is the vertical planning, and there's little thing appointment. Your get it done, to do. Oh, this is great. Okay, and then the wide, and that's also based on her sketch. So that's the wide washi for that. That's excellent. And then this one is you are doing great. So it's like an affirmation. You just try your best. Yes, affirmation washis. Here is the new bean card for subscriptions. So now there is a snail mail, washi wizard, and then pen pals. So your snail mail is as what's shown here. It's doodles, thinking, get your ducks in a column, making lists, new quarter stickers, and vinyl sticker card. The washi wizard is Helen's sketchbook, get it done, in progress, sentiments of support. That's the affirmations one. Those are all the washis, a washi card, and vinyl sticker. Pen Pals is all of them. So what I have now is the Pen Pal. And there's the receipt. That's so cool. So let's go to the other ones that we talked about. So there is the washi card. And then new quarter. Large accomplishments doodle. Thinking. Making lists. Get your ducks in a column. All of these are available for leftovers tomorrow. I'm sorry. Yes, today is Friday, so that would be tomorrow. Depending on where you are, but they launch at noon at Coffee Monster. For me, that's at 3. Do not disturb, work in progress and under construction. Die cuts and a cardboard. All right, so let's move that out of the way and get into the other one. Now, my original subscriptions did have Washi Wizard, so I still have that. The previous subscription, let me get the card. And the other ones, I don't have the cards at hand at this moment, but the other one, there was, oh, I don't remember. There were 4 on here. And Pen Pals is always the one that encompasses everything. I always got the full kit and then the Washi Wizard. So I have the Washi Wizard again, so that I have my set of 2 of each of the washis. I don't have a store. I don't look to doing that type of a thing. And Amanda packed this one as well. So for me, having, oh, and I have, oh, nice, a vinyl or die cut and another washi card. Brilliant. There we go. Under construction and another washi card. So I have 2 sets of these. That's all I want. Sometimes I accidentally will click if I think I don't have the whole 2 of each. Sometimes I accidentally overclick and I'll get 3 of something, but that's few and far between. I often try to just get 2, so I have 1 I can use and 1 for backup. I don't over order. So those were my orders. And now we're going to get back to this little girl.